Well, we're at the last week of school. It's hard to believe. But for magic this week, oh, sorry, I got the hiccups. For this week, I did want to do a trick. Sorry, I was a little bit. Oh, I got the hiccup. Just a sec. I think. Let me just cure the. Oh, let me. Just a sec. I got a cure for my hiccups here. Oh, yeah, you got a bag on your head. Well, I think that worked. I hope you guys have enjoyed the magic this week. On Wednesday, I'll show you how that trick is done. You can read down below. It's a great trick from a magician named Mac King, one of my personal favorites. You can see him in Vegas. He performs live in Vegas. You can check him up. I'll maybe put a couple links to some videos of him performing. He's my number one favorite magician. Just I love Mac King. He's got a book called Tricks with Your Head, and that's one of them. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you Wednesday. I don't know if there'll be a magic Zoom this week, just because with all the stuff going on this week. So yeah. So if not, if you have any troubles with that trick, just email me. Let me know. I can help you with it. It's best one of those tricks you got to videotape it and see how it looks. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Have fun.